Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll explain whether you can prevent someone from taking screenshots on your Facebook or on Facebook. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to know that Facebook doesn't provide a feature that blocks people from taking screenshots of your profile, posts, photos, or even stories. If someone is able to view your content, they can usually capture it with a screenshot or even another camera if they want. So the best way to protect your content is basically by limiting who can see it. You can open your Facebook if you want to do that and go to settings. So you can click on the three lines as you can see at the top right, and from here choose the account that you want to do that for, specifically if you have multiple accounts. If you are on the account that you want, just click on the three lines again, scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and click then on settings. So once you are here, we would like to look for privacy settings. So you can either keep scrolling down here to view it or just use the search at the top. As you can see, click on it and type privacy settings. So once you type that, click on done, and they should look for that exact privacy that you want. And from here, as you can see, you can click on the default audience settings and you can choose your default settings. So example, whether you want it to be public or only for friends, or custom as example, where you can choose who can see what you share and interact with your public content. So it's up to you to do whatever you want. Click on next as example. If you choose custom settings here, you will be able to choose what's exactly that you want. And if you choose another option as example, if you click on next, you'll just have to confirm and you should be good to go. So as we said before, you cannot prevent someone from taking screenshots, but you can prevent them, as example, from seeing the photos or profile in the first place so they can take a screenshot of. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.